Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the TEMU C12 Pro drone. And it looks like one of those Mavic 3 knockoffs that's got the tri-camera there. Oh, yeah, kind of looks funny, actually. Anyway, so it has, HD camera, optical flow, folding design, modular battery, dual lens switching, 360 roll, flips and all that good stuff. Yeah. Okay, they covered up one of the pictures here in the back with the label. I had to write the name of it down on there. Let's get it out of the box. So out of the box, this one comes with a hard shell case, and unlike most of them have the soft case. Which way do you open that? Okay, from the bottom here you open that. Sorry, I bumped the tripod. And then inside there is all that stuff. There's the QR code, the manual, the prop guards, and the spare props, the battery, the drone. Let me just get this stuff out of the way real quick. So there's the controller, there's the spare battery, and there's the drone itself. So the controller is your standard fare, right? Got your phone holder, you got your battery compartment there. It's three AA batteries, the big ones. You got your spare battery. These are, let me see if I can see it says 1800 milliamp hour. That's not true. Believe me, they're like 600, 700s. So we'll take a look at the drone itself. Now on the drone itself, there is no spot for like an SD card or anything like that, but it's got these cool ass lights in the front up here, and then here's that camera. You can tip it up and down with your finger there. So yeah, so let's turn it on. It's nothing special, believe me. There that goes. Let's get on the controller. So it bound up right away. Down and in is there's the level calibration, down and out. So down and in arms the motors. Let's get to the app. It says Wi-Fi 8K is the name for the Wi-Fi connection. And Wi-Fi Cam is the name of the app. Right there. And there it is. So yeah, it's working. So there really ain't a lot to it, right? You just fire up the app and go fly it. Now those lights in the front of it start flashing when you pick it up like that, because you're throwing the barometer off. So yeah, there's your Wi-Fi camera, or your Wi-Fi antenna right there. So yeah, it's fine. Let's see how it flies. See if it flies any good. But you got a spare battery too, so that'll be okay. We'll take it out and fly it. Alright guys, we're out here with, what is this one called? The TEMU C12 Pro. This is that one that looks like the Mavic 3. See right there. So yeah, Mavic 3. Let's see if that's it. There's a little bit of wind that just kicked up, so I'm getting nervous. Let me start some video real quick, just so we'll have something to go with, right? Let me turn up the rate. Oh, these phone holders are getting... Okay, let's get the high rate going there. So if it takes off, it acts weird. Let me get this trim going here. Let me get it trimmed out before we get to doing anything here. Oh, there's a ton of lag in the controls as far as the turning. Wow. That video looks really crappy. still going back over to that same spot that it did when I took off. It wants to hang out over there. Ugh. Yeah, this thing is dreadful. Yeah, this thing flies terribly. Yeah, there's a little bit of a breeze, but I mean, it's not like anything substantial, right? Oh, I could see the lag in this thing. This is a candidate for a flyaway right here, okay? Believe me. Boy, this TEMU, they got some real crappers, man. So I hit the flip button, and of course it didn't flip. Yeah, it wants to drift all over the place. No matter how much you do the trimming, it keeps on swimming, no matter how much trimming. Get back here, dude. Ugh, this is just terrible. It's just a terrible toy. You know, even for a toy, you know it's a toy, but you know, it's just a bad toy. Just keeping it straight is the major amounts of stick wheeling around here. Okay, let me stop this video and land this thing. Okay, so I'll put that little bit of video in there. I'm going to shut the Wi-Fi off and see if we can get it to fly a little bit better. I'll swap the battery out. Let's just go ahead and see what happens, right? I'm adventurous. Okay, so it does seem to fly a little bit better without the Wi-Fi, actually, if you want to know the honest truth there. Actually, well, I thought so. It's still acting a little wonky, but it doesn't seem to have as much lag in it, which is the big complaint of Wi-Fi all the time. The constant complaint about the Wi-Fi is it causes a lot of lag in these toy drones. And what you don't want, especially if you're a beginner and just learning how to do this, is you don't want the lag in the inputs, okay? I mean, come on. You're trying to learn how to do this stuff, and then, you know, you got all this lag, and you don't know if you're messing up, if it's you, or... But now it is actually flying a little better without the Wi-Fi on. I mean, that's just a fact, okay? That's actually happening. I'm able to get this thing steering around here a lot better with that Wi-Fi being off, okay? Yes, it's definitely flying better. You know, there was a little bit of hiccup there at the beginning, but as far as flying, absolutely, it's flying better without the Wi-Fi, without the video going. So, yeah, no doubt. So actually this thing doesn't fly too bad. It's just that Wi-Fi just causes so much input lag, and it just makes it more difficult to fly, you know? Yeah, it's hanging up pretty good now. I don't know about no obstacle avoidance, right? We're not claiming obstacle avoidance. Maybe I'll just keep this one, the non-video version with the fresh battery. I'll keep that going long enough to get the flight time for you. We'll just let it keep running. It can sit here and, yeah, it's real stable, see? I mean, it's flying great. You know? I wonder if it's going to give me a beep or you know, one of those deals. I mean, it is nice to have a little warning, you know, like at least a 2-second warning. I like the little short warnings, not the ones that, you remember the old quadcopters that they used to, they would sit there and start giving you this crazy ass beep, like, you know, 2 minutes before the battery was going bad. Okay, how about doing it like 10 seconds before the battery's done, okay? You know, I don't need a 2-minute warning. That used to drive me nuts, actually. There it goes. Or it ain't going. Okay, so there it went. The end of the... I don't even remember what the name of it is. The end of it. Okay. I'm sure you'll never see me flying this thing again. I'm sure this is the end of the road for the... What was it again? The C12 Pro. Yeah. I don't know about all that proness, but I'll put the you know, I'll put the flight time in there because we did the whole battery. It only seemed like maybe 5 minutes to me. You know, this is another one of them. What does it say? 1800 million. There ain't no way. There ain't no way in God's green earth that that's an 1800 milliamp hour battery. That thing is at the most 500, 600 top. 500, 600. Okay, well at least I got these 2 videos done today, so yeah. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.